Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You're shutting me out. You guys, it's another beautiful day to be beautiful, shawty. I am up and about to go get my little nugget ready for school. And can you tell that I just want to go back in bed? Yes, I want to go back in bed. I'm tired. I'm trying to recover from all the birthday fun. So Tyler's in the bathroom hiding me because I'm going to give him my bath right now. Ah! I'm gonna get you. Ah! All right, finish now. No, finish. I'm coming to give you a bath. Okay, you hide them after. Go and hide, Faves. Where are you gonna hide? Over there?
Yes.
Go.
No. Over there.
Faves gonna find you. Faves gonna find you. Ta-da! All right, go to the bathroom now. Say morning, Faves.
No.
Ah! Faves find you again. Okay, go to the bathroom now. Bathroom now. Bathroom now. Bathroom now. Why are you whining?
Because I want to play hide with Phoebe.
Wanna play hide and seek with Faves?
Yes.
You're so funny. Well, you have to go to the bath. So you play hide and seek with Faves after. You want water?
Yes.
How do you ask for it?
We have water, please, Mama.
Give me a hand. Okay, Mama gonna give you some water, okay?
Okay. Finish.
Okay, put it on your bag. Put down the water first. Go and put it down. Go and put down the water.
I put the water.
Very good. Say Fav, see you later.
It's the water.
You guys, I am so hungry. Baby number 1 is off to work and baby number 2 is off to school. So now it's just me and some breakfast making. I am so hungry. I am jumping right into breakfast. The truth is I'm not even working out this morning. That's how hungry I am. Even though I know that if I had gone and worked out, I would forget about the hunger until after workout. But I also have some stuff I want to get done this morning, so I'm going to eat and then jump right into that because I have work later. So I just want to tell you guys to have a good day and just do whatever it is you have to do to make sure that you're happy and you're content with yourself. I am making some plantains, and you guys know that if I had the chance, I would eat plantain for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'm making some plantains right now, and I'm gonna have breakfast and jump right on the computer and get some work done, and then get some chores done around here. It's going to be a long day, y'all. So enjoy today's vlog. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and do so right now. And if you're wondering how do I subscribe, but I'm always watching this channel, there is a little red button that highlight the word subscribe. just click on it, and then there's a little bell beside that. You click on it once, and there should be 2 lines that come over that bell. When you do that, it ensures you to get your notification every single day when we upload. Mondays to Fridays, they're always vlogs. So once your bell is on, you'll get your notification. So if you're subscribed but your bell is not on and you're not getting your notification, that's the reason. So if you're subscribed and your bell is not on, go ahead and turn on your bell right now. Just click it, and then it will ask if you need your notification, and you click yes, and you're good to go. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish making breakfast and jump into some work. So I'll catch you guys later. You guys, I'm back in the kitchen, because you know that's what I do, right? Forever be in the kitchen. But right now I'm going to make some green juice. I'm making all this green juice because I have these that I prepped from last week, and they need to use up before they start to spoil. So I can go ahead and prep the fresh ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this, and I bought this melon on Friday, and I don't want it to spoil. I bought this melon recently and I haven't eaten it yet, and I don't feel to eat it, so I think I'm gonna make some juice with it. And I also have some cut pineapple here, and I'm gonna make some juice with it. And all I'm gonna do is just juice these into my juicer with some ginger. That way I can prep the fresh pineapple so that I can have those for school. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and juice my life away right now. And there you have it, guys. Juice is ready. This one is lemon, no, not lemon. This one is pineapple, melon, apple, and ginger. And this one, which is the green juice, is apple, celery, cucumber, and ginger. Tyler will be happy when he gets home about this one. So ta-da! Juice is done. Alright, you guys, and now what's happening in my kitchen is that I am making timber, and for dinner I am making curry chicken. I already have some carbs and veggies in the fridge, so all I need is protein. So curry chicken is going down. You guys, let me tell you something, okay? I just had some of this curry chicken for lunch. The way it smelled good in the house when I was cooking it, I decided that I'm gonna wait on it to finish before I had lunch. You can see where I took all this away, and that's the end result. Bones that I threw. Now I think I'm gonna go in for a little seconds, but you guys tell me something. When I was chewing my bones, I thought about it. Do you guys chew your bones, or is it just a Caribbean thing? Because I know we Caribbean people love our bones. I have to hold back when I go to restaurants and get food with bone to not chew my bones. Comment down below and tell me if you guys chew your bones. You guys, what is that? Oh, it's my shoes. What is that? I forget to give you guys this house update. We got this new bad boy for our bedroom. Yes, that's our new closet. Let me give you guys a real good shot of it. You're seeing the reflection of my shoes because my shoes is right here. But basically it have 2 mirrors, this one and that one, and then it have my side and babe's side. Let me kind of give you guys an idea of how big in there is. Yes, so this is a little house update. Yep, see, that's our new closet, and I love it because it holds everything for babe and I in there. It's huge inside, very big. Yeah, so that's a new house update.
Hi guys, just a little show up. I'm back from work and I found a little bowl, should I say, on my way home. So we're home now. Tyler is complaining about his foot like flies. Oh, that's something when Tyler can't manage the fly. And you know, he's like a little kid. Whenever he fell, whenever anything, he just want attention. He just want like, okay, you kiss the legs, and then he's feeling better. So now he wants me to rub, to do anything to his legs to feel better. Tava, how was your day at school? Tyler? How was your day at school? What happened?
Watching.
Your fly is catching? Show Papa where it's catching. Here? Feel better? Uh-oh. Here you have a mosquito bite. Uh-oh. It's catching here. I'm sorry. Damn, look at your foot. You have another bite here, a bite here. Wow. It's mosquitoes. Wow. How was your day, Tyler? You want to say hi? Tyler? Tyler is too busy with his legs. Well, so I'm going to comfort him and I'll catch you guys soon. Qu'est-ce que tu manges, Tyler? C'est des pâtes? Tyler, t'as vu? T'es tombé. T'es poulet? Un real jamaican. C'est bon? Regarde, t'as fait tomber la pâte, non? Ici. C'est bon? Alright, so Tyler is now eating. This is some spaghetti, some chicken, and Tyler don't want to eat, but he's going to eat. I see you. I see you. I see you. Bon appétit.
Papa,
Et t'as là?
je veux du jus orange, s'il te plaît.
Ok, papa il va te donner du jus d'orange.
Hey guys, I've been back from work. You wanted to say something, that's why I paused.
No, I want you to eat your hair.
You wanted to eat my hair or my
okay.
ears?
Yes.
Oh, you wanted to eat my ears on camera?
Alright, let's go. Hi guys, it's the end of the day.
Start the things them, man. Start the things them. Start the things
off
them.
to bed, and why are you laughing? You can't be serious. Yesterday you don't end the vlog, you let me end the vlog alone, you embarrass me, and tonight you're here, you don't even talk, and you're just trying to do like monkey signs.
No, I'm getting
Alright, let's give the
back from work, and I am heading to bed because I'm tired. So we're coming on to give you guys the Jamaican and the French expression for today, and let me go first. The Jamaican expression for today is midday, I know.
Midday,
You know. If, like, for example, babe like to ask me, honey, how are you? Honey, how are you? He'll walk through the house 10 times and ask me, honey, how are you? So if you ask a Jamaican, how are you? They'll say to you, midday, I know. Simple means, I am okay.
Yeah, and then when you're on the phone and a Jamaican, I say, hey, wagwan. I say,
midday, I know.
midday,
right.
Yeah.
Right.
I
You
know that
got
I heard
it.
it somewhere. You want to know what is the French expression?
Yes.
The French expression is se prendre or prendre un râteau.
Okay.
So translation is to take a rake.
Okay.
Do you have any idea what it means?
Mm-mm.
To take a rake, se prendre un râteau, it means, for example, when you're young and you go to see a girl, you're a man, and you to go to see a girl, and you tell to the girl that you like her, and if she stop you and say no, I don't like you, means to take a rake. Understand?
She shut you down, honey.
Yeah,
She stopped you in your tracks.
Right.
Girl, no want you.
Right. Means the man or the woman.
Gosh, that ever happened to you, honey?
Take a rake.
That happened to you, baby?
Next question.
You're blushing.
No,
Who
don't blush.
take a rake on you?
Who take a rake on me? Or who take a rake on me? Or
Tell the things
give
them,
away?
see? You don't want to tell the things them tonight.
No, because I give the French expression, so why you trying
Tell
to...
the things.
That's the
Tell
French
the things we
expression.
want to know.
Say it.
Faves.
Say it
Faves.
properly.
Wait.
Say it properly.
Faves.
Se prendre
Wait.
un râteau.
Prendre.
Se prendre.
Se prendre.
You can't even tell it properly. I was about to answer you and then I
Tell
say
things
my
then.
hand. If
Tell
you
the
say the French expression correctly.
Faves, comment down below and tell me if you guys don't want to hear the story. I want to hear it. Tell the things them. If you guys think babe to tell the things them, comment down below and say Luda tell the things them. So prendre un râteau. Un râteau. It's a stupid R.
C'est take a rake.
Anyway, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression. And of course, Nugget is off the bed because you have an early morning in the morning. Well, I'll be long gone when he's awake. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. And a few of you said that you guys aren't getting notification. Please hit that small bell beside the subscribe button. It will turn on your notification, and that way you get them. And if you're still not getting them, turn it off and turn it back on, and that should be good to go. Anyway, you guys, we love you. Catch man, keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow.